Hello lovelies, it's a great pleasure to have you again on my channel today. How are you doing? I hope your day has been going very well. Today I'm going to be talking about skin beauty. I want to look at a particular oil that is very nourishing, very beautiful for the skin. I know you would be interested, so keep watching. I am going to be looking at the oil called vitamin E. There are lots of oils, vitamin E oils in the market, lots of brands, different pharmaceutical brands and the cosmetic brands. So there are lots of brands in the market, and the brand that I have with me that I have been using consistently is this Animate brand Facial Essential Vitamin E. You can catch a glimpse of that. So that's the one that I use. That's what the back looks like. You know. So this is the vitamin E that I use, and I use it for a couple of reasons. You know, on this channel I get a lot of questions, people asking questions about scars. They have dark spots, so what are they going to use? So the oil I will be talking about today is the vitamin E, and this is my brand of the vitamin E that I use. This is the cosmetic brand. There are several other brands in the market, but whichever you choose, just ensure that it is vitamin E. Vitamin E has a lot of benefits for the skin that you should take advantage of. Incidentally, they are not even expensive. This full bottle of about 60 capsules. Vitamin E has a lot of benefits that I think everybody should take advantage of. The reason is simple. I get a lot of questions. I have scarring, or I have dark spots. What can I use to remove them? Vitamin E is a fantastic thing when it comes to dealing with scars and all that. And I'm going to be enumerating the benefits for you. Now, this is what vitamin E, this particular brand, looks like. I'm sure my camera. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. That's how tiny. That's what it looks like. This vitamin E has a lot of benefit for the skin that I think every woman should take advantage of. Man, woman can take advantage of. The first thing is that vitamin E has multi-purposes. While you can buy the pharmaceutical type for internalizing, for taking daily, to help you with your skin and your heart and your hair, you can also apply it topically. So I'll be talking about the topical application of vitamin E. The number one thing is that vitamin E can be mixed with your creams. You can mix it with all of your creams and you can use it straight. Now, if you suffer from, the number one thing is that suffer from dark eye circles, you could use vitamin E as a cure for the dark eye circles. And all you need to do is to puncture it. You just puncture. You can even cut it off with the tip, with your nails. You can just nip off the head. And the thing is, you cannot consume everything at once, except you want to use it from head to toe. So one capsule can save you for like 4 or 5 days. That's how much you have in each capsule. So you proceed and put a drop on your hand. In fact, let me demonstrate that for you. I just cut off the head down, and that's a drop. That's a second drop, and that's all that you would about need for your full face. You don't need more than that for your face. You know, and look at that, how light it is and how easily it spreads. This you can use to moisturize your entire face like this. And then I like to pat. So you pat it into your face, you press it into your skin, press it into every area of your skin, you know, and it will give you vitamin E. Does brighten the skin, so it will brighten your skin. Then the next thing you can do is to use it on your skin generally. You can apply vitamin E all over your body, just the way I am doing now. You know, you apply it all over your body and go to bed at night. I like to use such things when I'm going to bed at night. You could use it twice a week, 3 times a week when you are going to bed as an alternate to your cream. Use that to alternate your regular body cream. So you can use vitamin E to moisturize your body after bath. Don't towel your body dry. While there's still water on your body, you put vitamin E in your hands, rub it all over your body. You know, it will moisturize your skin. The next thing vitamin E will do for you is that you can use it to remove dark circles from under your eyes. If you have dark circles, eye bags under your eyes, all you need to do is to put that vitamin E drops and pat it. Let me show you what I mean. Now I'm dropping again. That's just 2 drops of vitamin E. And then what you do is you don't rub it on your under eye. You pat, you push it, just press it like that under your eyes, under your eye area where you have your dark circle. So you just pat with this tapping motion under your eye area, and you let it stay and you go to bed. That is how you use vitamin E capsule to remove dark circles from under your eyes. If you do this long enough, or at least a week, you will begin to see noticeable difference, you know, and those dark circles will be gone completely. That's one of the benefits of vitamin E. If you have acne prone skin, you should also be using vitamin E, you know, as your day cream. I won't even say as your night cream. You could use it as your day cream. Let it be the first thing that touches your skin. You can put in other acne treatments, but let vitamin E be the first thing that you put on your acne scars. Pat it on your face, because it will not clog the skin, but it will refresh the surface of your skin and help it be moisturized, so that your skin does not produce excess oil that results in skin clogging. That's why you should use it first against your skin. Either you pat it in or you gently rub it into your skin, so it will help acne prone skins. Next, also, if you have scars, I'm not talking about old scars, and vitamin E can do more for old scars. But if you have new scars on your body, you can take a drop of vitamin E and use it and rub it on that area. As you continue rubbing it every day, you'll see that scar will disappear. So vitamin E takes away scars from the body. It is so nourishing that it removes scars because of the properties that it contains. If you suffer from cracked heels, especially now that we'll be going into the Harmattan period, and you suffer from cracked heels, you can put vitamin E on your palm and rub it on your heels, and wear stockings on your feet and go to bed. By morning, your heels will be feeling soft, and you know it wouldn't be so cracked up anymore. And prolonged use will also take away your cracked heels. So that's one of the benefits of vitamin E. When you have sunburns, liver spots, and blemishes on the face, vitamin E is very good for removing all those blemishes and sunburns from the face, the neck, wherever you have them. Apply vitamin E before you go to bed. It will take away those brown spots and blemishes and dark spots from your face. Then if you suffer from hangnails, they are called hangnails, where your cuticle peels off all the time, you know, your cuticles peels off. One good thing that vitamin E does for you is that it moisturizes your cuticles. You know, you rub it on your cuticles and rub it in, especially at night when you're not going to be putting your hands again into water. You rub vitamin E on your cuticles, so it will remove all the hangnails that you have in your hand. So vitamin E is very beneficial for nail care and hand care, because it's also moisturizing. Vitamin E prevents aging. You know, in some of my videos, you would have seen me use vitamin E in mixing my creams. Yes, I do that. And the reason that I do that is because of the fatty acids that vitamin E has, that it adds to the cream, enriching the cream. So you can use vitamin E because of the anti-aging properties it has. So it's beneficial when you can add it to your cream and mix it with your cream for your general body application. So vitamin E is fantastic in looking after your well-being totally in topical application. Not only is vitamin E good for topical application on the skin, it's also beneficial to the hair. You can mix a few capsules, you know, of vitamin E. You can put a lot of capsules in some oils of vitamin E into your oil, maybe coconut oil, you know, or sesame oil. You can add a few capsules of vitamin E, then you massage that into your scalp. Massage it into your scalp because it promotes growth. Vitamin E does promote growth. Is that it removes It removes stretch marks from the body. So if you're a pregnant woman, or you've had children, or you generally just have stretch marks all over your body, vitamin E will remove the stretch marks from your body wherever they may be. You know, some people have stretch marks here, their breast, your belly from pregnancy, your hips, your thighs. Vitamin E, you know, when you massage it daily into your body, massage it into those areas. Vitamin E takes away pregnancy marks and stretch marks from the body and discoloration from the skin. Vitamin E does do that. So that's one of the uses of vitamin E. Vitamin E will also soften your skin. It will soften your body. So you have your bath, don't dry up your body completely. While you still have water in your body, rub vitamin E all over your skin. It will make your skin fresh and supple, you know, silky looking. You know, it's good for you to use vitamin E. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time spent on my channel. I'll see you again with another product update and benefits that products has for our skin. I'll see you then. Bye bye.